ay happy birthday. Ako si yung lola ni na Christopher, Lori. Gandang kaibigan. Naging close kami nung nag-tutor siya sa mga bata. Naaala-ala ko rin dahil maganda ang samahan namin. Happy birthday.
Alam mo, Leti, naaala-ala ko yung pagsama natin yung araw ng mga tsatigay, sa natin, mga tiloding. Sayang nga, wala na tiloding eh. Sana masaya pa tayo ngayon. Naalaala ko yung ugali mo, na napakamatulungin mo. Naalaala mo nung parati ako pupunta sa inyo. Yun, hindi ko nalilimutan yun. Naalaala ko yung mga pagtulong mo sa akin. Napakabait mo sa amin. Hindi ko nalilimutan yun. Hanggang Canada, hindi ko nagdala-dala ko yun. Naalaala ko yung parati. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo.
I am Mrs. Eustaquia Arcos, and they call me Tikay. And I have been a teacher in this school for 34 years. I immediately liked her because the first time I saw her, I knew I would have another good friend. Yes. I have always liked her ways. She tells everything true and always appreciates what you do. Your mom is simple and she talks very well and is easily liked by Leti. Naku, ang tagal ko na inaantay kita yun dito. I wish I could see you again because I'm already very old. Leti tried to see me also and I like to see you very much because you have been a very, very good friend. I wish you advance happy birthday and I hope I will still be with you during your birthday because, you know, I'm already waiting when the Lord will call me. Every day I always thank the Lord if I'm still living because I am really very weak. And I hope God will still give me that opportunity that I will see you and you will also see me. And if possible, even though I cannot go there, I will always share you with my prayers, which is what I am always doing every day for all of you, my friends, especially you. You have been very, very good to me.